Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Rubina Rana from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. I welcome you all to lecture number 9 for Mathematics Class 1. You will be needing some essentials to start with. Grab your Oxford Countdown Book 1, some stationery, that is pencils, sharpener and eraser. Today we are going to learn about greater than and less than, and the reference book is Countdown Book 1, 3rd edition. So the learning objectives would be: students should be able to know that how to use symbols to represent bigger and smaller numbers, and what they already know is to identify between bigger and smaller numbers. Now go to page number 42. You are given with an example here. We will start with this example. Look at the first picture. Look at this hungry croc's mouth. He is very, very hungry. His mouth is open wide. Now look at the next picture. He has 3 fish on one side and 6 fish on the other side. So he goes for the 6 fish. He wants more fish to eat. Look at the shape of his mouth. His mouth is wide open towards the bigger number. That is towards 6 or 6 fish. So we use this shape in maths as a sign or symbol. I hope you get it. Now we write 6 is greater than 3 and read it as 6 is greater than 3. Or we can say that 3 is less than 6 and we read it as 3 is less than 6. So if we are using the symbol that is greater than or less than, we will be using it as I have discussed, and when we are going to write it in words, we will write it in words as greater than and less than, and we spell it as GREATER for greater and LESS for less. Now go to page number 43. We will be starting with question number 1. Fill in the boxes with less than or greater than. One has been done for you. Look at part A. It has already been done in your Countdown Book 1. We are given with 2 numbers, 15 and 13. Now, first of all, we have to see that to which column these numbers belong. Both of the numbers belong to 10's column. So we will start counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we know that 15 is the bigger number and 13 is the smaller number. So we can say 15 is greater than 13 and we use the sign greater than here. Look at part B. Now we have 2 numbers, 12 and 19. Both of these numbers belong to 10 series again. Now we will start counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So we know that 12 is a smaller number as compared to 19. So we put a sign of less than here and we say that 12 is less than 19. Look at part C. We have two numbers, 2 and 3. Both of the numbers belongs to ones column. Now we will start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2 is the smaller number and 3 is the bigger number. So 2 is less than 3. Look at part D. The numbers are 0 and 5. So both the numbers belong to ones column and we will start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 0 is the smaller number, 5 is the bigger number. So 0 is less than 5. Now look at part E. We have two numbers 20 and 10, where 20 belongs to 20's column and 10 belongs to 10's column. So we know that the number that belongs to 20's column will be bigger than the number that belongs to 10's column. So 20 will be greater than 10. Okay, look at part F. We have two numbers 15 and 6. Now 15 belongs to 10's column and 6 belongs to 1's column. The number that belongs to 10's column will be the bigger number as compared to the number that belongs to 1's column. So here 15 is greater than 6. Now look at part G. हमारे पास दो नंबर्स हैं 10 और 0. 10 बिलोंग करता है 10s के कॉलम से और 0 1s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है. अब इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा होगा? हमें पता है वो नंबर जो 10s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करेगा वो बड़ा होगा. तो हम यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन पुट करेंगे? यस, ग्रेटर देन. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पता है 10 इज ग्रेटर देन 0. Now look at part H. Again we have two numbers 11 and 10. यहाँ 10 और 11 दोनों 10s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करते हैं. हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे 10 से. 10, 11. तो यहाँ पर हमें पता चलता है कि 11 बड़ा नंबर है एज कंपेयर टू 10. So we will write it as 11 is greater than 10. Now please go to page number 44. Do you remember the hungry croc? We already have talked about it. Remember, he always wants more. His mouth was wide open towards the bigger number and he wanted more fish. So we will recall that example here too. Okay, look at first picture. We have two numbers 10 and 8. Now look at croc's mouth. It is wide open towards the bigger number, that is 10. So can we say that 10 is greater than 8? Yes, we know that 10 is greater than 8. Now how we are going to write it in words? We will write it in words as 10 is greater than 8 and we will spell it as G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Now look at the next picture. Again we have two numbers 13 and 0. Croc's mouth is wide open towards 13, which is the bigger number. So we will write it as 13 is greater than 0. Look at the third picture. The two numbers are 16 and 17. And croc's mouth is wide open towards 17, which is the bigger number. So we will write it as 16 is less than 17 and we spell it as L-E-S-S, less. I hope you get it. So we will start question number 2. Write the missing word. Part A is already done in your countdown book 1. But we will start from part A. Look at the numbers 18 and 17, and they have mentioned that 18 is greater than 17. We have to write it in words. How will we write it in words? 18 is greater than 17. Now look at part B. 2 is less than 19. We are going to write it as 2 is less than 19. L-E-S-S, less. Look at part C. 14 is less than 15. We will write it as 14 is less than 15. L-E-S-S, less. Look at part D. 16 is greater than 15. How will we write it in words? We will write it as 16 is greater than 15. G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater. Look at part E. 10 is greater than 9. So when we will write it in the words, we will write it as 10 is greater than 9. Look at part F. 7 is less than 18. हम इसको वर्ड्स में किस तरह से लिखेंगे? हम लिखेंगे 7 is less than 18. L-E-S-S, less. Look at question number 3. We have already done the similar questions previously. Write in the missing symbol. So again we are given with two numbers and we have to put the sign of greater than or less than. Look at part A. It is already done in your countdown book 1. 9 is less than 10 because we know that 10 is the bigger number and 9 is the smaller number. Look at part B. The numbers are 14 and 6. To which column does 14 belong? It belongs to 10's column and 6 belongs to 1's column. So which number is the bigger number? Yes, 14 is the bigger number. So we will write it as 14 is greater than 6. Look at part C. The numbers are 4 and 17. 4 belongs to 1's column and 17 belongs to 10's column. So which number is the bigger number? 17 is the bigger number and 4 is the smaller number. We will write it as 4 is less than 17. Look at part D. The numbers are 5 and 0. Both the numbers belong to 1's column. So start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is the bigger number than 0. So we will write it as 5 is greater than 0. Okay students, I hope you understood the topic well. Now please note down your homework. Solve the remaining part of these pages in your countdown book 1. Also write regular counting from 20 to 59 on your neat notebooks tomorrow. If you have any questions or queries, please write in the comment box section. We are pleased to answer your questions. Please stay home, stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.